Aloha. Welcome to Tūtū and Me Storytime. I'm Aunty Kanoe. Today's book is called Birds in Hawaii, illustrated by Jing Tsong. The Laysan albatross is Hawaii's largest seabird. Its Hawaiian name is the moli. The koaʻeula, or the red-tailed tropic bird, swoops in the sky like a kite. Look at its long tail. The Eva, or the great birds, chase flying fish for dinner. The Ai'o, or Hawaiian stilts, stand like statues. Notice it has really long legs. Koloa maoli, or the native Hawaiian duck, likes to travel with a friend. A kekeke, rooty turnstones, flip over stones. I wonder what he's looking for under the stones. Common minor birds make a lot of noise. The Japanese white-eye likes to play with friends. Java sparrows gather around backyard feeders. The pueo, or the short-eared owls, hunt during the day. The pueo has really big yellow eyes. The Hawaiian hawk calls its name Io. Red avadavits look like feathery strawberries. The apapane, or Hawaiian honey creepers, have many different calls. The Hawaii elepaio is bold and curious. Both these birds are native to Hawaii. The white-rumped shama sings like a flute, and the Hawaiian goose is Hawaii's state bird, the nene. Above the sea, wading through the wetlands, singing in the backyards, and perched in the rainforest, Hawaii's birds are everywhere. The next time you are outside, listen for the different bird sounds and see if you can identify any of the birds from the story. Mahalo, ahui ho, and see you at our next Tutu and Me story time.